Good morning, class 8th. The happiest time, the most melodious of all the times. Yes, you understood it well. It is mathematics time. You really enjoy doing mathematics, and it is mathematics time. So, we have taken up sum number 8 of exercise 8.3 today. That is compound interest. Let's read out the sum first. Find the amount and the compound interest on rupees 10,000 for 1.5 years at 10% per annum compounded half yearly. Would this interest be more than the interest he would get if it was compounded annually? Tell me, will there be any difference when it is compounded half yearly and it is compounded annually? Okay, let's solve it and find out. See, there are two cases. One, when the interest is compounded half yearly. See, the rate was 10% per annum when it was to be compounded annually. But because it is compounded half yearly, therefore the rate is to be reduced to half and it becomes 5% per half yearly. Now the time is 1.5 year. That gives us 3 upon 2, that means 3 number of periods. Now amount. You must remember this formula. When you put the figures in the formula, you get 46,305 upon 4 or rupees 11,576.25 as amount. When you calculate the compound interest, it comes out to be 1,576 rupees 25 paisa. Now in second case, we calculate the interest when it is compounded annually. See, what we do is, it is not possible to calculate for 1.5 year. So what we do, let's find out the amount for the first year first. The amount for the first year comes out to be 11,000. Now let's find out simple interest for the next 6 months. That is rupees 550. Now the amount payable after 1.5 year becomes this 11,000 plus this 550. That gives us 11,550. Amount payable after 1.5 year when it is compounded annually is this much, and when it is compounded half yearly, it is amount is this much and compound interest is this much. So we come to know that it is the interest received by compounding half yearly is more. Okay, and that is what we were to calculate. Thanks for joining.